Welcome to UGC NET Computer Science student and GATE Computer Science student. In today's topic, I will be discussing about data structure and algorithm. Very important, concept is called postfix expression evaluation. Actually, this was one of the question asked in UGC NET. So, if you are given postfix expression 6 2 3 star division 4 2 star plus 6 8 star minus, and for this postfix expression evaluation, so suppose if you are solving, what are the two top element after second multiplication evaluated. So if you are looking this expression, second multiplication is nothing but this one. Okay, so up to this multiplication you want to perform and find out what are the top two element of a given stack. Okay, so I'll be taking stack here and I try to solve it. Okay, so what is the concept here is, whenever operand coming, you want to push all the operand. If immediately any operator coming, you want to pop out two operand from inserted inside this stack, and you want to pop out two operand, and you want to perform that particular operator process, and then result should be again insert here. Okay, this way you want to do it. I will be explained very clearly. For example, seeking the 6 and inserting here, pushing here, again 2 is pushing here, again 3 pushing here. Now immediately star is coming. So in that case, what you want to do here is, you want to pop this 3 and you want to keep at right to this particular operator. This is very important. This logic for all the operator. Then popping these two, I'm keeping here. Now 2 into 3 6. Okay, so result is 6. I want to keep here. Okay, so now 6 and 6 are two element present in the stack. Then immediately division coming, I'm keeping here. Then I'm popping say 6 and keeping in right side, and again popping this 6 and keeping in left side. Now result is what? 6 by 6 is 1. So now answer is 1, I'm keeping here. Okay, so now what happened? 4 is coming, I'm keeping here, and then 2 is coming, I'm keeping here. Now 3 elements present, 1 4 2. Now immediately our expected this multiplication coming, you want to do multiplication. For that I am removing this 2 and keeping here, removing 4, this I am keeping here. 4 into 2 is nothing but 8, I am keeping here. Okay, now after this operation, what are the top two element are what? First I want to take 8, then followed by 1. Okay, top two element are 8 comma 1. Okay, so now answer B is right answer. Okay, thank you for watching.